Alright guys, how to reset YouTube recommendations. Let's say you search for some show and then spoilers started showing up in your feed. How can we get rid of them? I got you guys. So first off, we want to click on our icon, YouTube icon right here in the right corner, and then we want to select your data in YouTube. From here, we just want to scroll a little bit further down until we see this tab, YouTube Watch History. Where it says On, we want to left click on it. Okay, now that you're taken to this page, you want to go to the very bottom where it says Manage History. Again, left click on it, and you can play around with the settings here. It can auto delete, or you can manually do it, and here is how you can do so. All you have to do is click on this button right here which says delete, and it's going to ask you for what range. You can do it either just today, custom range, or all time. If you want to completely reset your YouTube recommendations, you just click delete all time, and then that is going to delete absolutely everything you have watched. Okay, just click on the delete button and your YouTube recommendations will be completely reset. I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.